Hi guys! Great choice to click this video because after this you will finally know how to make perfectly cooked oven-baked salmon. The salmon is so juicy and moist it almost melts in your mouth. Let's start! We need 1 tablespoon of softened butter. I'm using salted Kerry Gold. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix the butter and seasonings all together. We need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon into a half and squeeze the half of the lemon into the butter mixture. Make sure you don't get any lemon seeds into the mixture. Thinly slice the other half of the lemon. Thinly slice a small amount of red onion. I like to use a red onion for this recipe, but if you happen to have a shallot or a yellow onion, use those. Work with whatever types of onion you have in your kitchen. Peel 1 garlic clove and slice it. Okay, we are ready for salmon. Pour 1 tablespoon of EVOO on your baking dish and brush it. Brush the olive oil everywhere so the salmon doesn't get stick on it. I'm using 4 salmon fillet. It's about 1.5 pound to 2 pounds. If you have a whole salmon fillet, that's okay. You don't have to cut it. Rub the olive oil on top of the salmon. Just to flip it, rub the olive oil and flip it back so skin size down. Season the fish with kosher salt. Kosher salt is good for seasoning the meat and fish because it has bigger texture so it sticks well. Season it everywhere. Don't miss a part. And some black pepper. Can't miss pepper, right? Now spread the butter, herb, garlic mixture. Spread evenly and everywhere. Okay, that's the last one. Then place dill around the salmon and a little bit on top of the salmon as well. Place the sliced lemon and onions and garlic around the salmon. Remember the half of the lemon we squeezed into the butter? Use that and squeeze on top of the salmon. Pour 2 tablespoons of olive oil around the salmon. Now, pour a half cup of white wine around the fish. Make sure you pour around it. If it goes on top of the salmon, it will wipe off the butter mixture. I'm using a 1/4 cup, so I can control how much I pour each time. Bake the salmon at 425 for 7 minutes. When your oven beeps, turn the oven off, don't open the door, leave the salmon for another 7 minutes. If your salmon is thicker than 1¼ inch, bake it for 8 minutes. Turn your oven off, don't open the door, and leave it for another 8 minutes. Set your kitchen timer, and when it beeps after leaving the salmon for 7 minutes, take it out immediately and serve it. Don't forget to pour the juice on top of your salmon. It has the dill, lemon, garlic, onion. It has everything. It's good. Your salmon should be perfectly cooked, so moist, melting in your mouth. Enjoy it! Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next video.